everybody, and welcome to spring cleaning my bedroom. Today we're going to be going through everything in my bedroom, organizing, wiping things down, like actually cleaning it. And then also I bought on Amazon some nightstands because my bed has no nightstands yet. So I bought some nightstands and some lamps to go with that. So after my room is all clean, we're going to set those up and I'll do like a final overview of what it looks like. So this is my second video in the spring cleaning playlist that I'm making. And I'm trying to go through basically all the rooms in my house and just spring clean those. Not only for myself, to motivate myself to do it, but also if anybody out there is also in need of a big spring cleaning for their house and you want some motivation or inspiration, this is the video for that. Anyways, my room has been very messy lately because after the wedding, I just have a bunch of wedding stuff in my room. I had like laundry that I wasn't able to get done before the honeymoon, so I came back and just haven't had the time or energy to do my laundry. So there's just like clothes on the floor, decorations that desperately need a home because after the wedding, everyone just dropped everything off here at the house and somehow it ended up in my room. And then I just have little miscellaneous items. I have like some leftover coffee from yesterday and just stuff is everywhere. So I'm gonna do like a time lapse of like picking up my laundry. I'm gonna do that. I already kind of made my bed this morning, but I'm gonna make it a little bit nicer. And yeah, those are the big things. It's just wedding decorations are everywhere and my laundry needs to get done. I already washed my sheets recently, so those are clean and I don't have to do that right now, but everything else you'll see in the time lapse. There's a lot. Anyways, let's get straight into the cleaning. So I got my desk area cleaned up. I basically cleaned everything off the desk, all the trash I threw away. Everything that needs to go in my drawers, I put in my drawers. And yeah, I also wiped it down, as you saw. And then I have this little board that was originally a countdown to my wedding, but my wedding's already passed, so I don't need to count down to it anymore. So right now it's a spring cleaning vlog. I might update it in the future for any videos that are in front of my desk here. I also have this block little countdown calendar. I actually found this at a thrift store, but it's originally from a place called Francesca's. It was $18, but I think I got it for like $2. Anyways, so I'm just going to give this to one of my friends that's getting married this year. See if they want it, but yeah, I have this countdown, and then I also have another one that I'll show you later when I'm cleaning off this area. But yeah, I don't really need them anymore, so Yes. Next, I'm going to work on getting all of the trash and laundry off my floor, because I can have my laundry running while I'm doing the rest of the cleaning. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I will do a time lapse so you guys can see that getting done. Alright everybody, so here's a final walkthrough of my room after I've cleaned it, and these are the new nightstands and lamps. This is my made bed. You can see the floor. So these are the nightstands and the lamp. I have a bunch of yarn and knitting stuff over here, and then I have candle making stuff. That might go in a different place eventually, but this is just where I have it for now. But anyways, with my nightstand, I have my purse and my vitamins down here for easy access. Might find a different place for my purse later, but this is just where I'm keeping it for now. My lamp, which apparently I thought they did, but these lamps did not come with light bulbs. So tomorrow I'm going to go to Walmart and get some light bulbs for them, but for now it's fine. This wireless charging station that I have that will charge my phone right here. My Apple Watch here, and in the back it has a little plug for AirPods, so I thought that was really cool. and then my ring dish here. And then in my drawer, I just have my current knitting project, my sleep mask, and my Bible, also for easy access. So, yep, that's that there. TV remotes for the TV, my books, which may need to get organized, but for right now I have a bunch of homework stuff there, so that's another thing to deal with later. But I have my shoes. This was my wedding bouquet. Because I used Sola wood flowers, it's basically gonna stay like this forever, so I just have it in a little vase here. The eucalyptus and the baby's breath are real. I got them at Trader Joe's and dried them out, and then I assembled this whole thing together. But yeah, I really like the colors and I'm really happy with how it turned out. But I have my desk here, just some electronics, Easter eggs because Easter's coming up, and I'm gonna change this collage eventually because I did this for Valentine's Day, but we're gonna change that later. Anyways, this is my desk setup. Yeah, so I'd say pretty good job. I still have my printer here because I don't have anywhere else to put it. And then I did all my laundry, so my closet is nice and clean. And then I have this to-do list. So yeah, that's my room. I do need to get curtains and like paint this, but that's a different project. And I haven't vacuumed yet, but I'm gonna call it a night and vacuum and get light bulbs tomorrow. But other than that, yeah, that's pretty much my whole room spring cleaning. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was the second video in my spring cleaning series. The first one I did, if you haven't seen it yet, is my spring cleaning my kitchen video. Definitely go check that one out after this video if you haven't seen it yet. Yeah, and there's definitely more to come. So look forward to more spring cleaning videos in the future, but I hope you enjoyed this one. And let me know if you're also spring cleaning your house alongside with me. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment down below. Also follow me on Instagram at Jasmine the Waffle. And don't forget to love yourself, love others, and above all, love God. Bye guys.